Hi everybody, Christine Danchuk here. I just wanted to let you all know that the Danchuk garage sale is amazing. It has been a big success and we're so excited, so we're going to continue with it. And remember that the parts here are constantly changing, so you're going to want to come by and check out what we have because once they're gone, and you never know what's going to be put out on the shelves that day. So come on down to our showroom in Santa Ana and check it out. Also, I want to let you know too that our hours are changing, morning hours. For those of you on the East Coast, you can now call in at 8 o'clock a.m. and get your parts. So we're excited about that. So then here on the East or West Coast, it's going to be 5 o'clock a.m. that you can call and get your Danchuk parts. And I want to say thank you to everybody that came down on Saturday and joined us for the garage sale and donuts. We really enjoyed hanging out with you. And also too, don't forget you guys, if you haven't purchased, or I'm sorry, it's free, our Danchuk catalog, you're going to want to do that, okay? And don't forget too that we still have only a few of these left of our Danchuk calendars. So thank you all for making the Danchuk garage sale a big success, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.